Drones and AI transforming asset management in energy and utilities. The energy and utilities sector is undergoing an immense change, driven by Gen AI and AI agents. Imagine a world where power line maintenance is more efficient, more accurate, and safer than ever. Advanced drone-based inspections are making this a reality, delivering comprehensive insights. These insights effortlessly summarize defects, enhancing maintenance and inspections. This automation streamlines processes, saving time, reducing costs, and minimizing human errors. Experience 20% reduced downtime, 30% faster notifications, and 40% more efficient inspections. Accelerate your asset management transformation with Capgemini and empower your workforce with precision, efficiency, and innovation at your fingertips.